today I'm going to be showing you the Hoover WindTunnel Max Bagged, actually impressive vacuum cleaner. I've been using it for the past week now. I really like it. And this is a brand new condition bag compartment. We'll be looking a little more into that in the video today too, so don't worry if you didn't get to see all of it. On the back, we have a nice cord wrap. You have your hose. Then you want to do upholstery cleaning. And we are missing one part for this vacuum cleaner. We're missing the thing that holds the turbo brush in. By the way, let me go get that part. So this is all I have for attachments right now. And we have the super powerful turbo brush, the thing that cleans like your windowsills, the manual, and this guy. So now get into the real facts. The vacuum demonstration, that will be coming up in a little bit. The carpet height adjustment is right here. My guess, you have to push it down to turn it. So you have to push and turn, get to the mode you want. And the brush roller compartment is right in here. This is your brush roller compartment that will help it work. So this WindTunnel Max Bagged is a 12-amp machine. We also have the wand that I forgot to mention about, but we have the wand. And we also have the crevice tool. It's really odd shapedly. And another thing is the manual could be better. Powerful suction about this machine. So like the manual is like hard to find stuff in because it doesn't really like tell what you're looking for. It tells you about like suction on those. What does that even mean? So where this guy gets stored is he gets stored on the back of the machine. He gets stored right here. That's where you store your crevice tool. If you want to turn on your brush, one of these modes is on and off. I will be showing you. So you're supposed to stand up. And it's supposed to So something to know about this machine is if you push this down, you can't push it back up. You have to release the vacuum to push it back up. That's how that works. These are type Y bags that you are going to be using in your machine. And also just one other note is make sure you have your bags put in like this. And once it gets full enough, you just hold this and the bag's supposed to slide right out. Also one other thing is make sure this lip right here on the side, make sure a bag doesn't go out of there. There's also a filter right in here. It's a little bit difficult to pull out, but one time you'll get it. This right here, it's a bag indicator, it'll turn red. So when your bag is full, or when you're getting no suction, that will turn red. So let's put that back on there. And coming up soon will be my maintenance video and my don't throw it out video. So make sure you watch those two if you're watching this one right now. So Hoover Power, or the Hoover WindTunnel Max Bag vacuum cleaner I almost said the Hoover Power Force Helix. Manual. You can look these vacuums up on hoover.com. And that's basically all about a vacuum until we gotta start vacuuming here. Alright, now I'm gonna start vacuuming. So it's lightweight to push. So let's get this guy plugged in and we will test. Alright everybody, now we're going to start vacuuming with the Hoover WindTunnel Max bagged vacuum cleaner. I'm very excited to vacuum with this. Yeah, here we go. Circuit breaker doesn't go out because this is a 12-amp machine. So just keep in mind that so that doesn't happen. Yeah, so that's how this guy works. So now let me show you when the back indicator goes red. If your back indicator goes red, always check for clogs in the hoses. So we are going to start. Watch what happens. So you saw that, it turned red. And that's pretty cool that you got to see it go red. That's a back indicator, and that's also a clog indicator. And if you like me to do the maintenance and the don't throw it out video, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and we will be coming up with those very shortly. So make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.